Hello students, good morning. Students, today is 28th November 2020. Your chapter 8 small business was going on. In the last class I have started a new topic that is relates from the institutions providing support to MSME. It means which type of the institution has provided the support to small business. So yesterday I have explained three types of the institutions. So today I want to continue it from the fourth type, that is relates on the small industries development bank of India. Small Industries Development Bank of India, in the short form it has been called SIDBI. शॉर्ट फॉर्म में से क्या SIDBI कहते हैं. ओके, so here write it about it. SIDBI was established as a wholly owned subsidiary of Industrial Development Bank of India. Industrial Development Bank of India, through the act of Parliament in 1990. Okay, it means that has been started the act in 1990, that has been passed by the Parliament. Okay, so here what are the functions of SIDBI? Look here and write here also. Functions of SIDBI. First function is to provide direct or indirect financial assistance under different schemes to small business organizations and to meet their credit needs. It means that will be provide the financial assistance to small scale industries, to small business, and also relates from their क्रेडिट नीड. जैसे उनकी हमारे को क्रेडिट की या कुछ मनी की रिक्वायरमेंट होती है, सो दैट टाइप ऑफ द फैसिलिटीज हैज बीन प्रोवाइड बाय SIDBI टू स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. ओके, सेकेंड पॉइंट, टू कोऑर्डिनेट द फंक्शंस ऑफ other institutions engaged in similar activities. It means they coordinate the similar types of the activities. ओके, here to coordinate the functions of other institutions के functions में भी क्या जो भी activities होती हैं, similar activities होती हैं, so SIDBI can be cooperate. Okay, SIDBI can be coordinate. Okay, clear. Third point, support microfinancial institutions for capacity building and lending. They will be provide the support. Okay, so these are related from the SIDBI. These functions relates from the SIDBI. Now next institution is fifth is scheme of fund for regeneration regeneration of traditional industries. In short form you can also call it Spurti. Okay, so the central government created a special fund in 2005 that is known as Spurti to make the traditional industries more productive and competitive and to facilitate their development. So here we will write about it. The central government created a special fund in 2005 that is known as Spurti, okay, to make the traditional industries more productive and competitive and to facilitate their sustainable development. It means that type of the things has been provided the development to the small scale industries. The government started this fund by investing rupees 100 crore. So here that is also necessary. So here you will write the government started their fund. This fund, first you will write this fund by investing rupees 100 crores. Okay, so here that is based on that type of the reason for the development of that industries, and what are the objectives of that type of thing is based on the same objectives you can also get it employment opportunities in the traditional industries. It means each and every type of the industries when will be support the small scale industries, so it will be provided the job opportunities. Okay, and that is related from the development. Here that is related from the traditional industries, so it will be related from the development of the traditional industries. Okay, and in order to make them competitive, profitable and sustainable situation. Okay, so you can also write about one thing or more. This has to be implemented by the Ministry of Agro and Rural Industries in collaboration with state governments. Okay, so these are the works of the Spurti. Now next institution is based on the rural and women entrepreneurship development. So sixth institution we will write rural and women entrepreneurship development. Rural and women entrepreneurship development, in the short form you can tell about that RWED. Okay, RWED. So what is RWED? RWED program aims to promote a favorable business environment, promote a favorable business environment environment and to build institutional and human capacities, yes, it is correct. Capabilities, you can also write it here, and then after that you can also write the capacities, human capacities, okay, for promotion of entrepreneurship among rural people and women. It means that will be based on the rural people and women. Okay, its main objective is related from that I was here you will write. Its main objectives are, point number 1, to create a business environment that encourages initiatives of rural and women entrepreneurs. Okay, second point is to provide training manuals to women entrepreneurs. Third point you can write about it, to render any other advisory services. So these are the main objective of RWED, Rural and Women Entrepreneurship Development. Okay, so students, these were the institutions that will be provide the micro, small and mini industries, micro, small and medium industries support, okay, for their development, for their growth. Okay, so now I want to explain here regarding the future of small scale business. Okay, so this is the last topic of this chapter. So here you will write future of the small business sector. Future of the small business sector. Okay, so students, as you know, now the economy, any type of the economy, as like your Indian economy, is also based on the getting globalized. So a small scale business unit is also necessary to explore their business, to explore their capabilities in order to survive in the market and grow in futures. So here, as we write about it, as the Indian economy is getting globalized, small business enterprises will have to explore their capabilities in order to survive and grow in future. It means that type of thing is based on the सर्वाइव एंड ग्रो. इट मीन्स अगर स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज को सर्वाइव करना है मार्केट में और आगे चल के ग्रोथ करनी है, सो इट इज़ नेसेसरी टू एक्सप्लोर देयर बिजनेस एज पर द न्यू ट्रेंड, एज पर द न्यू era of the new technologies. Okay, so here point wise we will write about the methods how can the SSI will promote their business. government. It means there is the requirement of the support of the government. Government should provide its assistance to the small business sector by acting as a facilitator, LITATOR, facilitator and promoter and not as a regulator. Okay, and second thing is related from the small industries should take the advantage of globalization by getting involved in export of specialized component and parts. Third point, a small business sector should be ready to face competition from domestic and international firms. Okay, it is necessary for the development of the small scale industries. So at last you can say about that a small sector create a standing for themselves. In short, you can tell about that. In short, the मंत्र, आप एक शॉर्ट में द मंत्र ऑफ सक्सेस, MANTRA, मंत्र ऑफ सक्सेस in this modern era has to be think global. It means small scale industries को क्या ग्लोबली होने के लिए सोचना चाहिए एंड एक्ट लोकल, और लोकल वे में क्या मार्केट में एस्टैब्लिश रखने के लिए अपने आप को तैयार रखना चाहिए. सो दैट आर द सिंबल्स दैट टाइप ऑफ द थिंकिंग विल ग्रो द स्मॉल स्केल इंडस्ट्रीज. Clear students? So now students, the chapter 8 has been finished also. Okay, so your PT2 syllabus has been now finished. So this is your duty students. Start studying in a proper way. If you have any doubt students, then you can also ask the query with me without any hesitations. Okay, your UT2 syllabus has been completely finished now.